Good morning, children. Welcome to your English 2 class. Yes, welcome to your English grammar class. Children, in the previous class, we have talked about nouns. Yes, do you remember what are nouns? Yes, nouns are naming words. Remember, we studied in the previous class. Nouns are naming words. Nouns are names. Yes, nouns are names of person, place, animal and thing. Yes, remember children, we studied that nouns are names of person, place, animal and thing. Now in today's class children, we will be learning about nouns types. Okay. Types of nouns. Okay. We will be learning two types of nouns. One, common nouns. Two, proper nouns. Okay. What are the types of nouns? One, common nouns and two, proper nouns. Now what are common nouns? Okay. What are common nouns? The word common itself tells us what kind of noun it will be. Common means general. उस नाम के बहुत सारे होते हैं. ओके, कोई एक नहीं होता. अंडरस्टूड? कॉमन नाउन्स मीन्स जनरल नेम्स. कॉमन नेम्स ऑफ people, place, animal and thing. Understood? Common names of people, place, animal or thing. For example, look at your screen. This is a boy. So here boy is a noun. Okay. We can see many boys in the class. Okay. So boy is a common noun. This is a dog. There are many dogs around us. We can see many dogs, isn't it? So dog is a common noun. This is a fort. This is a fort. There is no name given. So there are many forts in our country. This is a car. Car. We have seen many cars. Okay. There are many cars on the road. Yes. So there is no one car. There are many cars. So car is a common noun. So children, did you get what is common noun? Yes, common nouns are common names, general names of person, animal, place or thing. And we have looked at the example of common noun. For example, boy, dog, fort, car, etc. Isn't it? Now the second type of noun is proper noun. Proper. Proper itself talk about something proper, something specific. Okay. Proper nouns are specific names of people, places, animal or thing. Okay. Proper nouns are not common names. They are specific name. For example, my name is Neelam. Okay. So Neelam is a specific name. I am a girl. Girl is a common name. Okay, understood? Now, specific names have one important thing to remember. See the second point of proper noun. Specific names always start with capital letter. Okay, whenever you see specific name, the first letter of that specific name will be always capital. Yes. Look at the example. This is Jimmy. Okay. See, this is Jimmy. Jimmy is a name, specific name. Okay. And if you look at the first letter of Jimmy, that is J, it is capital. So Jimmy is a proper noun. Now look at the next example. Yes, this is Ginger. Okay, it is a dog. Okay, dog is a common noun. But what is its name? Ginger, Ginger, Ginger. And if you look at the first letter of ginger, G, it's capital, right? So ginger is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, ginger is a specific name. It's not a common name. So we will say ginger is a proper noun. Now look at this. This is the red fort. Here the specific name is given for this fort. What is the specific name? Red Fort, Lal Killa. Yes. And red fort is written with capital letter initial. Yes, R is capital. Red fort. So red fort is a proper noun. Now look at this. This is a Honda City. They have given specific name of the car, proper name. What is the proper name? Honda City. So Honda City is a specific name of this car. So Honda City is a proper noun. Are you getting it, children? So what are proper nouns? Proper nouns are the specific name of person, animal, place or thing. For example, Jimmy is a proper name of a person. Ginger is a proper name of animal. Red Fort is a proper name of place. And Honda City is a proper name of a thing. So Jimmy, Ginger, Red Fort and Honda City are example of proper nouns. Yes. Now children, these are the specific names. They will always remain specific, proper. For example, city name, Mumbai, Vadodara, Kolkata, Delhi, they all are specific names. Okay, so they will be proper noun. Then days and months. Okay, 14 February. Okay, month, March. Okay, January, December, festival, Christmas, Diwali, Holi. Books, the Jungle Book, yes, the grammar book, okay, the Ramayana, the Mahabharata. So, the name of cities, days, months, festival, books will remain always specific. So, they will be always considered as proper noun and their first letter will always be capital. Okay. So let's revise what is common noun and proper noun. Look at common noun. Common nouns, name, general people, places, animal and things. Whereas proper noun, name, specific people, place, animal and thing. Yes. Common noun do not need capital letters. Okay. Common noun का first letter capital नहीं होता, but proper nouns need capital letters. Proper noun always begin with capital letters. For example of common noun, man, tiger, peacock, book, cake, driver, doctor, teacher, school, etc. Now look at the example of proper noun. Mr. Patel, Neha, Diwali, June, Vadodara, Kamati Garden, Statue of Unity. Yes, these all are specific names. So we will call them proper nouns. So children, how many types of nouns are there? There are two types of nouns. Common nouns and proper nouns. What are common nouns? General names of people, places, animal and things are common nouns. What are proper nouns? Specific name of people, place, animal or thing. And specific names always start with capital letters. Understood? Now let's see the example. This is a dog. So dog is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, dog is a common noun. This is a car. Car is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, car is a common noun. This is Jimmy. So, Jimmy is a common noun or proper noun? Yes, Jimmy is a proper noun because it is a specific name of a person. This is the red fort. So, red fort is a common noun or specific noun? Yes, it is a specific noun. It is a specific name of fort. So, it is a proper noun. We can also say it specific noun. This is a Honda city. Yes. So, which type of noun is Honda city? Yes, proper noun. I hope children you have understood what is common noun and what is proper noun. Okay. So go through this video properly, understand, and we will see you in the next class with another two types of nouns. Okay. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.